Alright y'all, welcome back. It's Albert LaBelle, and the lock we're going to take a look at this time is right here. It's one of them folding bike locks. I've seen these around the internet a little bit, I was eyeballing them for a little while, and I finally just popped on it. I was doing another one of my shopping sprees, if you will, and I decided to pick one up. So yeah, it's a folding bike lock, literally. What it came with, though, I'll get to that real quick. It came with this mount for your bicycle. You can mount it two different ways. If you have one of the mounts on your bike, like where you put a water bottle rack or whatever, you can mount it that way because it comes with the screws to do it that way. Or you can mount it with the straps. So there's the screws to mount it. Like I said, screw it on or use these Velcro straps, and you can feed them through this dude here and strap it to the bike frame, as it clearly shows right here. Tells you how to do it. Something that caught my attention, though, was, well, on the box, for one, there's the box for it. Pagoda folding bike lock. And on the side it says, patented product, unique design, fine manufacturing process, high level security, convenient collection. Whatever that means. But yeah, check this out on here. Number of locking pieces, I'm guessing 26 links on it, but check it out. Explosion proof test data. I don't know what that's supposed to mean, but it says it. Explosion proof test data. And then falling height, pulling force, temperature, security level 5. I don't know if that's 5 out of 5, 5 out of 100. I don't know, but that's what it's got. So yeah, pretty freaky. There was something else I wanted to point out. Yeah, I tried counting the discs, and I think it has 8. If I'm wrong, I apologize, but it's kind of hard to count them through the hole. But I think there's 8. So yeah, how does it work? Well, you pop your key in there, and you rotate it, and it pops this plug up, unlocking it. So, not key retaining. We'll leave that unlocked for a second. So, the orange link, that's the loose one. You pop that out, it just kind of clips in. And then you just unravel it, unfold it rather, and lock up what you need to lock up. And then you shove the orange one in that slot right there. Push the plunger in, and it's locked up. So, security-wise, that security level 5, I'm not sure. Because these things, there's a whole lot of plastic there. They are metal links. I stuck a magnet to them. They are metal, but I mean, there's a lot of plastic covering those up, and they're just riveted. So it wouldn't take much, maybe some cutters in between there to pry them apart, or a couple of wrenches on these links and just twist it. So security wise, not secure at all. And another thing I noticed, let me pop it back off here. So you can see if you've got it locking something, all of this is open right here. And it's got a roll pin that actually goes, you got it, all the way through. So I'm assuming if you just pop that roll pin out, just push it out, the lock will most likely just come falling right out. I'm guessing that roll pin is what holds the lock inside the body, because there's nothing else holding it in. So that's pretty shoddy design right there. But any hoodles. Yeah, it is what it is, right? So yeah, let's roll it back up. I think it's neat. The design is neat, but security-wise, it's a pretty heavy fail there. I just kind of like the concept of it, the way it kind of folds up, tucks away into the little compact deal, and it just clips in. Again, that holder that comes with it, you just pop it in. Make sure it's locked back up, and you just slap it in there like so, and it holds it in there like that. So yeah, again, it is neat, but that's as far as it goes. And another thing I wanted to point out, if you've seen my video recently, if you haven't, you need to, on the way I make my tips for disc detainer, or yeah, disc lock picks. The reason I give them that kind of hourglass shape is for locks like this. Hopefully the camera's going to pick it up. You can see it's not quite a full rectangle. Right in the center of it, it's got them little divots in there on both sides. So if you've got a full rectangle on the tip and it's got a couple more discs with the same shape, profile discs. So if your tip is not shaped like that, it will not go all the way through. So that's why I make it that shape. So yeah, so let's pop it in. I guess we'll just slap it in. We'll just slap it in here. And I'll just bring the camera around. We'll grab something. There we go. Rotate all the discs clockwise. And I'll just bring the camera to us. We'll just go like right over here-ish, maybe. Let's try that. And we'll rotate it around like this. That ought to work. Let's try that. Okay, so we got them rotated, and I will be using, obviously, the Sparrow's disc pick with my tip on it. Alright, bada boom, bada bing, the magic words. And if you're just getting started on disc locks, by the way, and they got you scratching your head, you can't figure out why they won't open, make darn sure you're only tensioning one disc, because that will throw you off. Alright, so grab one disc, and let's see if we can't pop this puppy. Gotta find that bottom one, there we go. Slid off of that. Good grief. I'm sliding off of it. Alright. I'm in an awkward spot here. Okay. Okay, we got that one. Let's go back through. Whoop. Okay, that is not the last one. Okay, I need to rotate that one back. Okay, that one's set. That one's set. That one's set. That one's set. That one was not set. So I'm missing one somewhere in here. Alright, where do we miss it? That one's set. That one's set. I got one that is not set. I don't know where it is. Could be right up front. There it is. Bada boom, bada bing. Good grief. What I noticed is, the reason this one's a little tricky, there's two discs. I don't know if you'll be able to see it through the camera, but the two discs right up front are not separated by a washer. There's two of them. I don't know if I can get them separated. Let me just pop it back down. If I can get them to rotate. Those two right there. Those two front ones are not separated by a washer or by a spacer. So yeah, makes it kind of tricky to tension it. But yeah, there it is. West Biking. That is the Pagoda folding bike lock. Let me bring the camera back around. I do apologize, but it does give us a good view, doesn't it? Let's just pop her back down over here. And bada boom, bada bing. So yeah, the Pagoda folding bike lock. I picked this one up off of eBay, by the way, if anybody's interested. And it was kind of pricey. It was $30 for this thing. And that's a lot of plastic. So yeah, I do like the design. I think it's cool, but security-wise, I give it a thumbs down. All right, so that's it. Thank you all so much for watching. If you're not subscribed yet, please do so.